Today, university students face a serious mental health crisis. They are under constant academic, financial, and social pressure, leading them to high levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. Firstly, many students lack the knowledge to recognize symptoms and often fear social judgment, so their issues go undiagnosed, and it's made worse by the presence of unreliable online self-assessment tools that confuse the student rather than clarify symptoms. Secondly, the manual and complicated counseling booking system make it difficult to seek help. And third, finding a suitable counselor who meets their specific needs is often time-consuming, causing the student may need to give up entirely. Altogether, high stress, low awareness, and limited access to support have created a growing gap in student mental health care. So there's the gap that our system, CalmSpace, aims to fill.
Hello everyone, our platform offers three core services. First, scientific assessment and breakdowns to help your accurately understand your situation. Second, one-click booking uh, intelligently matches you with the most suitable counselor. Third, um, an anonymous communicating provide a safe space for ongoing support. Thank you.
Hi doctor, my name is Lim Xin Rou and I'll explain the use case diagram for our system proposed. So in this system, we have 8 modules, which each of us will develop 2 modules. So first of all, we have user module, and then we have mental health literacy learning module, and we have virtual support module, self-assessment module, mood tracking module, peer support and community module, counselor support module, and also administration module.
Hi, I'm Nickolas, and now I'm going to talk about the UI mockup for the user module. So the user can register account, log into their account, and also they can manage their profile. So as you can see, a user they need to enter their email and password to log in, and also if they don't have an account, they need to register account. They need to enter their full name, email, and also the password. And they can register as a student, counselor, or an admin. Next, they can also manage their profile after they register. They can change their picture and also their name and their email. And they can also change their password and also to manage the notifications and to delete their account if they want. Okay, so next we'll talk about the UI mockup for the mental health literacy learning module. A user are allowed to access mental health modules and also to play the module quiz game. Okay, so when they enter the learning modules section, they will see several modules here. So for example, if they tap into the understanding and the module, it will show us about the module overview and also what they will learn in this module. After they learn, they can play the mini games that set in this module. They need to answer some questions and also they will get their marks at the end of this quiz to show their understanding of this module. And for an admin, they can manage the mental health modules, which they can add a new module. They need to enter the title, the description, duration, and length of the image URL. And also they can edit the existing module that they have added or delete the existing module. Thank you.
This self-assessment module allows students to evaluate their mental well-being through the trusted and validated assessments such as DASH21, PHQ-9, and CBI. Through this simple interface, students can easily answer each question and submit their responses. Once they complete, the system automatically analyzes their answers and display an easy-to-understand result, help them to recognize their mental state early. In this mood tracking module, students can log their daily mood by choosing emotions like happy, stress, and optionally add a short note to describe their feelings on that day. Then the student can also view their mood history. Then based on their recent mood patterns, the system then provide a personalized insight like detecting the consistent stress emotion. This will help users better understand their emotional trend and take the early self-care.
Now I'm going to show the UI mockup for the virtual support module. First of all, the students they can book their counseling session in this system. So they can choose to book counseling session in the main menu, which is the dashboard, and then it will show the available counselor, and they will show their name, usually what the counselor deals with. For example, this counselor usually deals with anxiety and depression. So it will also show whether the counselor is available or busy, and the student they can press book section. So it will show this component, which the student they can choose their preferred date, preferred time, and session type. And it will send the booking request to the counselor, which will then approve or rejected by the counselor. And they can also message the counselor regarding whether there are symptoms, urgency, or other special requests. So the student can also manage their appointment schedule by navigate to the My Bookings here. So choose to add it. Maybe they want to change their time, date, or counseling type, or they can just delete it. Next is the peer support and community module. So it is a peer forum, and the students, they can view the peer forum. They can also interact, like liking others' posts and also commenting others' posts. The student can also post anonymously to the forum. So if they press new post, it will negate this component. So the student can type any message, any questions, any thoughts, and they can post it anonymously. So after they post, they press post anonymously. It will show like this. So it is pending review by the admin, because the admin want to check whether the post contains any offense words or verdict. So basically that's it.
Our consumer dashboard is designed to provide student support. First, a clear overview of student progress. You can view a student's announcements profiles at any time, including their last model, assessment scores, and engagement to continuously track their well-being. Second, convenient appointment management. All concerning requests are clear at a glance. You can approve or reject student appointments with one click, easily making your scheduler. Uh, this is integrated platform ensure you can focus on providing the most timely and effective help. Thank you. Our consumer dashboard is designed to provide student support. First, a clear overview of student progress. You can view a student's announcements in the admin panel. The forum content moderation function allows us to review every user post, quickly approve positive content, reject or flag harmful messages based on guidelines, thereby achieving uh, perfect balance between open communication and community safety. The module engagement chart visually shows student uh, preference for different topics, helping us optimize resources. The assessment chart tracks the overall mental wellness progress of our student population, measuring the effectiveness of our support.